Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reach level 10 on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Steam account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can track all your achievements and progress. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel. You'll notice several options listed there. Go ahead and click on Badges. This section is crucial because it shows all your current badges and tracking your progress toward the next Steam level. Your badges are directly tied to your Steam level, so this is where you'll be spending most of your time. Now, here's something important to understand about how Steam leveling actually works. Your Steam level increases through XP, which stands for experience points. Every level you want to reach requires a certain amount of XP to unlock. Specifically, level 10 requires about 1000 XP total accumulated across all your activities on the platform, so you'll need to focus on activities that generate the most XP efficiently. The main and most effective way to earn XP is by crafting badges. This is done by completing full card sets for games in your library. Here's how it works. Some games in your Steam library automatically give you trading cards while you're playing them. As you collect these cards, you can combine a complete set to craft a badge, which then rewards you with XP that counts toward your overall Steam level. Additionally, there are other smaller ways to earn XP that can help you reach level 10 faster. You can gain XP from activities like adding a friend to your Steam friends list, joining a Steam group, writing a game review, or even adding a profile picture to personalize your account. While these actions don't give as much XP as crafting badges, they're quick and easy ways to boost your progress. And that's it. You now know exactly how to work your way up to level 10 on Steam by earning XP through badges and other activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.